Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 8-inch chef knife. This is a beautiful knife. It comes packaged really well, so it'd make for a great gift for anybody that likes to cook or is just in the kitchen. It has your nice sleeve in here for storage. And in the box here, it's got a nice coating in here, and it is so pretty. This has got a resin handle on it, and it's a 5-inch resin handle. This is the orange one, but it does have other colors as well. And then I'll bring you in here so you can see the Damascus steel that is on here. This is an absolutely beautiful knife. It's got an 8-inch blade. You've got a 13-inch curvature right here to be able to use, and it's weighted really well. I mean, you can hold it right there in the center, and that feels fantastic on your hand. Now I'm gonna get it washed up, and we're gonna try it on this apple, and I'll bring you in here close so you can see this beautiful chef knife. So here is this knife up close. You can see the beautiful design on here. It does have 67 layers of this Damascus steel in here and a VG10 material core, and it's wrapped in 33 layers of high carbon stainless steel. So that is fantastic. The actual hardness of this is 62. So let's put this thing to the test, and we will try it out on this apple. That was super easy. Like, I'm not even pressing down that hard. And because it's a chef's knife, I mean, you can easily just move it around like this. Cuts with ease. Like, that is impressive. Great knife that you can use in any kitchen, professional or at home. I love the look of it, and it feels wonderful in your hand.